Guys, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you, as a beginner photographer, how to put on your camera lenses and how to take them off. Everyone needs to learn how to do this, whether you're a professional photographer or not. This is just something you have to know, and it's very necessary. You need to be able to switch between lenses, especially during a shoot if you have to. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and the more you practice, the faster and the better you're gonna get at putting it on. It was a really awkward process for me at first, but we all have to do it, so let's get to it. Okay guys, so I have my camera right here. I love this camera a lot. This is a Nikon D3400. You can see. And I'm going to show you how to take this lens off. And right now I have on the 18-55 kit lens on, and yes, I'm going to take these off. Alright, so every single camera has this, at least the DSLRs. They have a little button right here, and at the beginning I didn't even know what this was. I didn't know what this was for, but this is for the lens. And right here there's a little button on my kit lens. That the kit lens always comes with the camera, just so you know. It always comes with the camera, so this is just what I have on right now. Right now, this is my favorite lens. Alright, so in order to take it off, you have to press down this button at the same time, and you have to turn clockwise, so to the right. So, let me demonstrate. And boom, it's just that easy. Alright, so to put it back on, you have to look for this little white dot right here. See this white dot? This white dot has to align with this little white dot when you first put it on, and then once you put it on, you have to push it counterclockwise, so to the left. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to align this right here to this little white dot, and this is how you do it. You align it, then you push it towards the left until you hear a little click. I don't know if you heard it, but there was a little click that happened. That's how you know that your lens is on right, it's on correctly. You can do a little shake test, and it won't fall off because it is on securely, because I heard that little clink at the very end of it. You will hear the clink when this white dot is right in the middle, right here. See that little white dot? That's when you're going to hear the clink sound, and if you don't, take it off and try it again, because your lens will fall in the middle of your photo shoot if you do not hear the clink when you put the lens back on counterclockwise. I really hope that this video helped you, and please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video if you learned how to do this, and like the video if you are a photographer, and comment how long it took you to learn how to put on your lenses and take off your lenses. See you guys later.